You can get Claude Code running on Windows in under 5 minutes. Here's how. You only need two things to make this work: a paid Claude account, because the free tier doesn't support this, and Git for Windows, which prevents your terminal from throwing silent errors. So first of all, go to gitscm.com. You can find, by the way, all the links and all the commands in the description, so you can actually copy-paste them, and click Download for Windows. You want to open the top one, the latest 64-bit version, run the installer, and you will see a bunch of different options and screens. Don't overthink any of them. For the most part, you can just click Next on the default options, except two windows. So the first one is for the components. I would recommend you actually selecting all the install components. Next one, when you're choosing default text editor, I'm selecting Visual Studio Code because I have it on this device. But if you're doing it for the first time, you can again select default option. And lastly, the one setting that actually matters is adjusting your path environments. And again, the recommended default option should be selected. It should be the middle option. If not, select the middle option. And for all the other options, just leave them on default, click next, and install Git. And we're done. Now we have Git, and we can move to the step 2, actually installing Claude Code. So first of all, I will leave a link to official Claude Code docs page in description, so you can actually copy paste everything instead of typing manually. Again, I made it easy for you. Next up, we have to open PowerShell. You don't need to run it as an admin. Just hit Windows X at the same time and click Terminal, or search for PowerShell in the search bar at the bottom. Now paste in command you can see on the screen. You can also get the same command in description or on the Claude website. Hit enter, and it should say setting up Claude Code, and after a few seconds you should see green check mark saying Claude Code successfully installed. It will also show the version number and where they installed the files. And now you'll probably see this yellow warning saying something about path not being set up. And this is actually normal. This means the system doesn't know where to find the Claude command yet, and I will show you a fix. So to fix it, paste in the command you see right now on the screen. Also can find the same command description and hit enter. You will not see any outputs. That's fine. It actually worked. And now a really important part is close your terminal completely. Basically close the app, not just the tab, but the actual window. Then open new terminal. Again, you can do it with the Excel window, or you can find it on the search bar. And this is a really important step, because if you skip it, you're going to type in Claude trying to run it, and you will get some red errors that Claude is not recognized. Now type in, again, what you see on the screen, Claude version. Again, you can find the command in the description. This will show you what version of Claude you installed. And also this means Claude has been installed and system can read it and find it. Now we have Claude installed. Let's launch it. So type in Claude. Again, this is really simple command. Just type in Claude. It'll ask you a couple really simple setup questions right here in the terminal. Use your arrow keys to move between options and enter to select. It will ask you to pick a style. So just choose whatever style looks best for you and select enter. Then it opens your browser automatically. Sign in to your Claude account, the same one you're paying for. So basically a Pro or Max plan, whatever you chose. Click authorize, and you can go back to terminal. You'll see Claude Code welcome screen with your name and account info. This means we set up and now we are connected. Again, mission achieved. And quick bonus, once you've done all of this, Claude Code also will work on Claude desktop app. If you open Claude AI, you can click on the code tab on the top. You'll see it there too. So same thing, just visual interface instead of terminal. So again, for the beginners, for advanced, this will also work. And if you want to learn how to take full advantage of AI tools like Claude, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.